Hi, this is Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. Welcome back to my channel. Really good to have you with me today. Today is a unboxing and product review for a company called Craspire.com, which is Craspire.com. Their details will be in the description bar below. I was contacted them probably mid-March to see if I'd like to do a review of some of their products. Jumped onto the website. They had a really nice selection. It's taken probably about 2 weeks to arrive, which is pretty good going. And there is a discount code, which again will be in the description box. And that is for $5 off a spend of $45. So there was a choice of, I could choose whatever I wanted to basically. So I chose 3 products. One of them is a wax seal stamp. So I'm going to just pop this on quickly so we can have a little go and see what we think of that. So I'm just gonna get this going in the background. I'm just gonna get a baby wipe. Sorry, should have prepared all of this. Okay. So yeah, one of the items is a wax seal, and this one is with the image of a bee. Absolutely love bees. And I wanted to have a look to see what that would look like. That is just for the stamp head itself. So if you, I think they do it comes with a handle as well as another option, different types of handles, lots of different choices. So yeah, that is the first item. And yeah, as you can see, it's really nice and detailed. So we're going to have a go at that one. Now, this one here, I am trying to remember what I ordered. I can vaguely remember. So this one here, I think is the plate. Yes, it is. This, I absolutely loved the idea of this. I don't know if you can see this. It's like a porcelain. It's the plate you would use to pour the ink on from your wax seal. So I really, I normally use a piece of greaseproof paper, but I thought, I really like the idea of that. I'm going to have to obviously be careful not to drop it. And I don't know if you can see, but it's like a pink marble swirl effect. So yeah, we're going to use that again with the wax seal. And then we've got a third item, which is very heavy. So let's, I think, have a go at our first 2 items first, and then we'll open the next one up. You'll have to excuse the mat. I've been crafting away like a nutter this morning. So yeah. Okay, so we're almost there. So this is quite exciting to be able to do this on here. And I'm just gonna try and scrape a bit more of that out because I leave so much in there. And I didn't let it melt particularly long. So let's have a little look. Now, if I'd have let that melt a little bit longer, I might have got a bit more out of there, but that's okay. Just gonna blow this out while I'm waiting. Okay. Oh, and that just pops straight off that. Oh, lovely. Not a mark on here. Everything's come off. Really like that a lot. And this seal, wax seal, is really lovely. I've got a pen, I think. Let me just see if I can colour on top of the bee so you can get a better look. Sorry if my head's in the way. This is lovely. Okay. I try to use the darker colours because they seem to give you a better look on the final image, and that is just coloured in there with the bee. Really like that a lot. And it's it hasn't, you know, spread ridiculously. If I wanted to cut the edges of those off, which I could do if I wanted it really neat, which I don't, but let's just have a look and see what that looks like. Yeah, that does. It's bizarre. It feels, even the wax feels neat. That's the only way I can describe it. Let's just see if that will come off. Yeah. Really do like that a lot. So that is my first two products, and just gonna try and wipe this out of here while it's still warm enough to do that, or not, as the case may be. And then the third product, and each of these products will be listed in the description below, and I'll put a link to each of them as well, so you can see exactly where to go. Now this one is really heavy, and I have absolutely no idea how it works. So let's have a look. Right, okay, so I think, if I'm right, that this is going to go in like that. Yes, there we go. We have a winner. Okay, it's really heavy. I just had some card on here, so I'm just going to grab that because I think it will work on this card. Okay, so this is like a linen card, so I don't know how well it's going to work, but let's have a go. And what this is squeeze that. Oh. Ah, there we go. And I don't know if you can see that, but that's a tree of life. Let me try it on another surface. Perhaps on something like this. It's like an embossing gun, if you like. It kind of embosses surfaces, so I'm assuming it does all different types of surfaces. You can't see this particularly well, but you can feel it. You can see it better on that side. And it does it with all sorts of materials. So I think it even does it with the likes of thicker materials and leathers. And let's have a quick look and see what it looks like on material. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show it off particularly well. This is a fairly thick piece of material, so let's have a look. I haven't seen one of these before, so I was quite intrigued. I'm not even sure if I'm using it right, to be honest, but I'll have to read up on that. But it looks like this is how it would go. Oh yeah, you can see it on the material there as well. Very slight on material. But as I said, I'm not sure whether I'm using that right. There's a huge amount of pressure behind this. Yeah, there you go. So I think you've really got to give that a bit of welly. But yeah, you can see the difference on the different surfaces. See it really well on that surface, even though it's a gloss surface. And you can feel it really well on that surface. Well, you can feel it on all of them. Yeah, it's just like embossing. You can really feel that on the reverse side. So yeah, comes in a really handy little box. It is really, really heavy. And as I said, these are interchangeable. You can get additional ones for this. I suppose it's like a die machine. Yeah, really, really quite funky. I quite like that. And then, as I said, the plate for the wax and the actual seal again for the wax. So yeah, they are again from Craspire, I think is how you pronounce it. All the details will be in my description box, as will the discount code. Yeah, pop over, have a look. Definitely recommend you have a little look at that. Okie dokie, so that is it for today. Yeah, I hope you found it useful. Until next time, take care of yourselves as always, and we will speak soon. Bye for now.